What's going on, guys? Gonna start getting back into the videos again. As you can see, I got a Rolls-Royce Wraith and I have an R8. This is gonna just be some organic content. As you guys can see, we're limited to 6,000 RPMs. They're actually like that. Audi does that, so you can't rev the shit out of the engine when it's cold. It obviously does have the cold start and then that quiets down, but a lot of people think that after it quiets down that you're good to go to just rev the shit out of it, and I truthfully still think the engine needs a bit more time to warm up, but now we're open at 9,000 red line. Exhaust note in this car is just so sick, and obviously I have it mic'd up back there.